Welcome to 1417 Pike Grove Pass in Huntertown. This stunning property offers an exceptional blend of comfort and style. Situated in a desirable neighborhood with easy access to local amenities and schools, the home features a spacious open floor plan, ideal for entertaining and family living. The modern, fully equipped kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space, and a large island. Generous-sized bedrooms provide plenty of natural light and storage space, while the luxurious master suite includes a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a double vanity, soaking tub, and separate shower. Multiple living areas include a cozy family room with a fireplace and a formal living room. The beautifully landscaped yard features a patio area perfect for outdoor dining and relaxation. Recent upgrades include new flooring, fresh paint, and updated light fixtures throughout the home. Additionally, the property offers an attached two-car garage with extra storage space. Enjoy the benefits of living in a friendly community with parks, walking trails, and recreation facilities nearby. Call Christy Owen to see this great home today.